Shurley method, page 51, and we're doing, this is the second part of the recording for that page, and we're doing exercises 2 and 3 today. So, write the capitalization and punctuation corrections only. Today, Mr. So today, capitalize. Mr. And put a period. E. What else? Period. C. Capitalize. Period. Morgan. Capitalize. Oh, what goes after Morgan? Comma. So we put our little caret with the comma. Linda's. Capitalize. And put an apostrophe, caret with the apostrophe, right? Linda's father. No, father to be, comma. Flies to Paris. Capitalize and, comma, France. What goes after France? Comma. From San. No, Pedro. Then, comma, Mexico. All right, for parts 1 and 2, choose an answer from the choices in parentheses and fill in the rest of the columns according to their titles. S stands for singular, P for plural, N for noun, and pro for pronoun. So the girls wore there, and why is it there and not her?
Because there's two of them.
Because there's two of them. Okay, so we picked there, singular, plural. Plural. The antecedent, what's they referring to? Girls, and that was plural, right? Which helped us make our pronoun choice. Either of those boys can handle his. Okay, it makes it his because of what word? Either, right? Meaning that it's one or the other, right? Okay, so we picked his and singular because it's referring to either, right? Which is singular. Okay, you're gonna do 28 for homework. Okay, part 2, subject verb agreement. Have the boys return. Okay, so we chose have. Subject was boys. Is that a noun or a pronoun? Noun, and we picked have because boys was plural. Neither of mine and it's actually lives. Okay, so we picked lives. Okay, now what did we pick lives for? Because is it referring to and or neither? It's referring to neither. Okay, and if we've learned that if our verb choice or if our subject would have been plural, then we pick a verb that doesn't have a plural ending, right? Okay, but in this case, the subject was singular, right? Because neither could go either way, and it's singular, so we picked the verb choice with an S on the end, right? Is neither a noun or a pronoun? Pronoun. Okay, you guys are going to do 31 for homework, okay?